Hi again, this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com, and today is October 8th, 2013, and it is currently 1:47 p.m. Chicago time. In my previous couple of videos in the Japanese yen, I had been talking about the cycle. This is a daily chart, by the way, of the Japanese yen. I had been talking about the cycle that I have been following, where it had been operating pretty good. Here was number 2, number 3. Then we came over here to number 4, where I was expecting to turn back here where number 4 is, around the 9/24/25 time period. And then to go down into the October 9th time period. You may recall that. If not, go back to the previous videos. And we had blown through this period here and never created this turn. Now, that's unfortunate from the standpoint of how I was alerting you all to the high probability of that turn occurring, because it had been so regular. But, you know, like I've said before, nothing is 100%, and you have to be able to adjust to what the market gives you. And in this case here, when we blew through the cycle period for number 4, all we got was this little bounce down, and then it just started continuing back up even higher again. We had what was called an inversion, because instead of it going down into the October 9th period, it continued up into the October 9th period. Now today's October 8th, tomorrow's October 9th, but remember I mentioned approximately around the October 9th area. So you don't look for exact dates. You're not looking for exact, okay? You're looking for that time period, that zone. And I'm making this video because now we're in that time zone for around that October 9th. Now in my previous videos, you'll notice this was down here. I moved it up here now, since prices are moving up into it rather than moving down into it. And of course, I'm making the video to alert you to this. Today, for October 8th, price hit time price resistance. Okay, as you can see here, just like it had hit it back here, okay, it has since blown through that resistance, has gone up, and now it's hit this new resistance period. Also, I have Fibonacci dynamic fan lines on here, which shows that for today the resistance would fall on 1.0360, as you can see here. The high is 1.0357. It's within 3 ticks, close enough for government work. So anyway, what I want to alert you to is it looks like we may be in for a topping around this time zone now that we're in the next cycle time period that I had mentioned before. So now that we're adjusting to what the market is giving us, we need to start looking for that swing top. And the way that you can take advantage of that, of course, is that you would sell below the low of the price bars forming here, because once it starts to break below the low, it is likely going to start making that swing top pattern, and prices now going lower into the next cycle time zone, which is not currently being shown on this chart. To get a rough, let me pull up one of my handy tools here, and I'm just going to go ahead and bring up the yen and see if we can. Okay, so somewhere approximately around the 18th of October, somewhere around there is where our target would be if we get this topping here around the October 8th, 9th, 10th time period right here. Okay, anyway, I don't want to make this video any longer than necessary, but I did want to get it out there for you in case you had forgotten that this was an important time period. It's just, you know, originally it was expected price would move down into it, but instead we got price moving up into it, and we take what we're given. And as traders, now that we are in this time period, we need to look for opportunities now to sell the Japanese yen. And for those of you Forex traders, that would be the opposite. You would be looking to buy the USD JPY Forex pair, Japanese dollar Forex pair. Okay, well, thanks again for watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll get these videos right when they come out. They'll be more timely for you. You don't miss anything. I also have a free newsletter at my website and so forth. Please visit. And thanks again for watching.